In this video, you'll learn how to close a Microsoft Bookings page so that people can no longer schedule appointments with you through that link. This is really useful if you're ending a specific service, going on leave, or just need to pause new bookings while you catch up. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll explain what each part does so you know exactly what's happening when you make the change. First, start by opening Microsoft Bookings in your browser. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has access to the shared booking page you want to close. Once you're in, you'll see a list of booking calendars or shared booking pages that you have access to. From that list, select your shared booking page. This is the specific calendar or booking environment that you want to stop taking appointments on. It might be named after a team, a service, or a location, depending on how your organization set it up. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one, especially if you manage more than one booking page. After you've selected the correct shared booking page, look over to the left-hand sidebar. There you'll see a menu with different sections such as calendar, staff, and services. Find and click the option labeled Booking Page. This is where you control how your page appears to the public and how people can interact with it. Once you're on the booking page screen, scroll or look for a section called Configure Booking Page. This section contains the key settings that determine whether your page is open for self-service scheduling or not. It may include options related to publishing, visibility, and booking behavior. Within this Configure Booking Page area, you want to change the booking status so that people can't book new appointments. Depending on your version of Microsoft Bookings, you'll either see a status option that you can change to no self-service, or you'll see a switch labeled available for booking. If you see the status option, set it to no self-service. If you see the toggle or switch instead, turn the available for booking option off. What this does is disable the ability for customers or clients to schedule new appointments themselves through the online booking page. The page may still exist and you might still see it internally, but the self-service part is turned off, so no new bookings can be made through that link. Existing bookings will usually remain in place, so you can still see and manage them from your calendar. After you've made that change, the last and very important step is to save your settings. Look for the Save button on the page and click it. Without saving, your changes won't take effect and your booking page will remain open for new appointments. Give it a second to process and then your updated settings should be applied. If you want to double check that everything worked, you can try opening your public booking link in a separate browser tab or window. You should see that customers are no longer able to schedule new appointments. That's all you need to do. You've now successfully closed your Microsoft Bookings page to self-service appointments, giving you full control over when and how people can book time with you.